Welcome back, guys. Let us learn how to make directory. The command to make directory is mkdir. This command enables you to make directory, but let's get the help --help so that you can see the documentation. Okay, so this is the usage. Make directory. It creates the directories if they do not already exist. It creates directory or directories if they do not already exist. So you can also, some flag you can use. We have -mode, -m, or -mode. Okay, equals to the mode. We also have the -p or --parents. If you add -p flag or --parents flag, no error if existing, make parents directory as needed. So it enables you to make a parent directories. So let me clear the screen so that we can practice it. I type clear. So I am on the desktop, so you can see the directory where I am. If I do pwd, you can see I am on the desktop. Okay, let me list the files and folders I have on the desktop. These are some of the files and folders I have on the desktop. Let me clear the screen once again. So to make a directory, I type mkdir. I'm going to make a directory cmd tutorial. So cmd tutorial, I press enter, so it created the directory. If I do ls now, I'm going to see cmd tutorial on the desktop. This is it here, cmd tutorial. cd into cmd tutorial, press enter. I am in the cmd tutorial already. Let's make another directories inside this folder. I type mkdir, let's say folder 1. So if I do folder 1 and it is created, if I do ls, I have folder 1. If I want to make a multiple folder at once, I need to do mkdir, let's say folder 2, then you give space folder 3 and space folder 4. This now will create additional 3 folders inside the cmd tutorial. Let me press enter, and if I do ls now, I have those folders created. If I want to create a nested folders, I need to use the mkdir once again. Mkdir, this time around I'm going to add the flag of -p, which means parents. Then here I can make, let's say, test. I have test folder. Inside the test folder, I want to create test1 folder. Inside test1 folder, I want to create test2 folder. Inside test2 folder, I want to create test3 folder. With this -p flag, I'm going to create a parent folder, which is test folder. Inside the test folder, I'm going to have test1 folder. Inside test1 folder, I'm going to have test2 folder. And inside test2 folder, I'm going to have test3 folder. So if I press enter now, you can see it was created. If I do ls, I have test folder. Let's cd into test folder. Okay, let's do ls. You see we have test1 folder. If I do cd test1 folder, if I do ls now, I'm going to have test2 folder. cd test2 folder. Inside test2 folder, if I do ls, I have test3 folder. Let's cd test3 folder. And if I do ls now, we don't have any folder. You can see how we navigated to the folder. You can see it here from test folder, test1 folder, test2 folder, and test3 folder, and we just navigated into it. That is how to make directory, multiple directory, and also nested directory. Thank you for watching this video.